Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. And we're having another look today at division involving fractions. This rears its head from time to time, and it did so the other day for me when a student questioned me, not about something like this, but about the next part of this that you'll see. Anyway, it's worth looking at because from time to time, when you're working through something, you will find that you get something like 3/5 divided by 2/9. What do you do about that? Well, the first thing to recognize is that it is 3/5 divided by 2/9. It is a fraction divided by a fraction. And I think it's helpful to write it out in a different way. So what I've got here is this divided by this, and then I can apply the simple rules of division of fractions, which are that you keep this fraction, the first fraction, you change the sign, and because you've changed the sign, you turn this to its inverse, you flip it, and you get 3/5 times 9/2. You in fact do not do a division. And then the simple rules of multiplication of fractions apply. 3 times 9, 27, 5 times 2, 10. That is the answer. Okay. Now, this is actually the question that sparked the problem. For those of you who don't do circular trigonometry or work in radians, this may seem a little arcane and pointless. Bear with me, there's another problem below this. Anyway, my student's problem was 2 pi divided by pi on 2. Those of you who do circular trigonometry will be familiar with a problem like this. Well, what is it? It is 2 pi, which we can write as 2 pi on 1. I think that this is a helpful formulation of it, divided by pi on 2. Same thing happens. Save this fraction, change the sign, invert this, and what you can do is immediately you can cancel the pi's, and so what you get is you get 2 times 2, or 2 on 1 times 2, which I've written here, but 2 times 2 is 4, and that's the answer. That is all you have to do. Now, getting back into the realm of the sort of numbers that the majority of you might be interested in, I'm going to just apply a similar rule here without the interference of symbols that you're not used to. So 2 divided by 1/5. That's what this says. Well, what do we do? Well, it's 2/1 divided by 1/5. Save, change, flip. 2 times 5 is 10. It's 10/1. That's our answer. That is how you do it. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.